Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this interesting problem here. But before we start solving, thank you very much for being here, and I hope you like the video, and please help me subscribing. 90% of the people who watch my video are not subscribers, so help me by subscribing. Thank you very much, and if you can, please drop a comment in the end. Thank you. So let's start solving this, guys. So well, we have x to the 2023 here, right? So we see that x here, we have x to the 46, which is the same thing as x to the 2023 to the power of 2, right? So from here, I'm gonna make a substitution using this guy here. I'm gonna say that this is y to the power of 2023, just because I have x to the 2023 here. Okay, so now this is then x to the 2023. This is gonna be equals to 1 minus 2024, right? Let me erase this to the power of 2024 times x to the power of 46. And then this one here, the first one, will become x to the 2023 equals to 1 minus 2024, which multiplies y to the power of 46, right? So now I'm gonna say this one minus this one, so this is gonna be x to the 2023 minus y to the 2023. This one will cancel with this one, so minus 2024 y to 46, and then minus plus 2024 x to 46. And then I'm gonna bring everything to the left side of the equation. And then this is equals 0. We're gonna factor out something here. Okay, guys. I'm not talking while I'm writing this because it takes more time. So I'm just writing. So and then we have this one here, guys. This one here. But let's write this differently. X 2023 minus y 2023 minus 2024, and then we have here x to 2023, right, to the power of 2 minus y 2023 to the power of 2 equals 0. So now we see that we have a difference of squares here, so we can write it differently. So this is x 2023 y 2023 minus 2024, which multiplies x to 2023 minus y 2023, right, times x to the 2023 plus y to the 2023, close brackets. Actually I don't need the first bracket here, right? So, and then this is equals 0. So now we can factor out x to the 2023 minus y to the 2023, right? This one will multiply 1 minus 2024, which multiplies x to the 2023 plus y to the 2023, right, close bracket, and then this is 0. So guys, from here we have x to the 2023 minus y to the 2023 equals 0, and then 1 minus 2024 x to the 2023 plus y to the 2023 is equals 0. From here we're gonna have x to the 2023 equals to y to the 2023, right? Let's say let's call this one 1, and then this one 2, and from here we're gonna have that x to the 2023, right? So this is x to the 2023 plus y to the 2023, this would be equals to 1 over 2024, right? And then y to the 2023 is equals to 1 over 2024 minus x to 2023. So now where are we going to substitute these two values? So let's get here in the beginning. The first one I'm going to substitute here, and the second one I'm going to substitute here. So let's pick the first one then, and I'm actually going to copy it. I'm going to copy it. Let me see if I can copy it. Okay, and then I'm going to say Ctrl C, and then I'm going to copy it down. And then I'm gonna say this here, and I'm gonna say Ctrl V. No, it came wrong. No, it didn't. I think it's no. I'm gonna say Ctrl Z, and I'm gonna write it. Okay, so that was a frustration thing. So 2023, 1 minus 2024, y to the power of 2023, right? So x to the 2023 equals to y to the 2023. So we have then that we're gonna bring this one to this side of the equation as y, as x, right? Because it's the same thing. Sorry, I made a mistake here. This is not 2023. This is actually 46. And then we have that this one will become then x to the 2023 equals 1 minus 2024 times x to the 46, right? So now we have then 2024 x to the 46 plus x to the 2023, and then minus 1. Actually this is minus 1. Minus 1 equals 0. So we can write this as 2024 x to 2023 to the 2, right, plus x to 2023 minus 1 equals 0. So we can solve it as a quadratic equation, and x to the 2023 would be equals to -1 plus or minus. This would be 1 plus 4 times 1 times 2024 over 2 times 2024. So this is all. And then we have x to, so x will be equals to this square root here, 2023 of -1 plus or minus square root of 8097 divided by 48. So these are the values of x1 and 2. Okay guys, so two values of x here. So and then let's pick up the second equation, the first one here, which is this one, right? So we're gonna have y so we have then that y to the 2023 is equals to 1 minus 2024 x to 46, and we said here that y to the 2023 is equals to 1 over 2024 minus x to the 2023, right? The second one here, let me see here, this one here. So now let's write this, substitute this here. So we're gonna have that 1 over 2024. Let me erase this because it's not polite writing this kind of confusion here. So minus x to the 2023, and then equals to 1 minus 2024 x to 46. and then what we have to do just is bring it to the left side of the equation. 24 x to 46, and then this is going to be minus x to the 43, and then we're going to have here plus 1 over 24, and then minus 1 equals 0. So this then would be 24 x to, we can write this as simplifying some steps. This is 24x to the 23 square minus x to the 23, and then this simplification will give us minus 23 over 24, and then this is equal 0. And then we have another quadratic equation in terms of x to the 23, which would be equals to negative 1 here, which is 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 square, which is 1, and then plus here 4 times 24 times 23 divided by 24, right? And all divided by 2 times 24, right? So this is oh my god, let me erase this. This is not okay. So 24. So guys, we have then that x then is equals to 1 plus or minus, we cancel this one in this, and then we will have square root, I mean, if we write in x here, so this is gonna be, let's put here this root, so this is gonna be 23, and then here we will have here 1 plus or minus square root of 93 divided by 48. So these are the values of x3 and x4. So we have 4 values of x, guys. I'm not gonna check this solution, but I've done it here, so but they are correct. So tell me in the comment what you think of this video. Please subscribe, guys, and help me. I'm trying to reach 1K subscribers to the end of this year, so I have some heavy bills to pay, and I'm not working, so I'm counting on you guys and on your support to keep living. And I'm not in my country, I'm living abroad, and things became so difficult. So thank you very much, and I hope you understand my situation, and you are willing to I hope you find a space in your heart to follow me, and maybe drop a comment and like my video and share with some friends of yours who also love math. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.